Hey everyone, Kevin with Aloft here, and today I'm going to show you a preview of our latest feature, Mission-Specific Workflows. In air control, you should be familiar with the concept of workflows already. This basically allows admins to assign roles or a group of pilots specific workflows for their day-to-day operations. This has been welcomed by our customers and the community in helping to simplify the steps a pilot needs to take in the field to maintain compliance with not only your SOPs, but the Part 107 as well, and detailing all that for our record keeping. However, what happens if we want to fly a mission that's different from our standard day-to-day workflow? Well, that's where mission-specific workflows come in. First, let's take a look at the workflow that we have assigned to this user on our account. I'm going to go into the Manage section, and we're going to head down to Workflows. And you can always verify which workflow a user has by taking a look at the roles and permissions table. So let's take a look at that workflow. So we have a risk assessment, a checklist, and a post-flight checklist. So if I were to start a new mission or even just tap fly here, let's start a new mission. We'll call it our default. And create. So now it's going to walk us through our expected workflow. You can see our risk assessment pops right up. But let's go ahead and start a new mission and show you what that looks like if we want to change what this workflow looks like. I like to start from our airspace map. Let's snap to our location. And let's create a new mission. So here we had a default mission. I'm going to call this mission specific. We'll go ahead and pre-approve this one. Let's add our location. You know what? I'm going to use a mission area instead of a single location for this. And we could adjust these boundaries if we needed to. Want to make sure this is assigned to the pilot. And we can even pre-assign aircraft and batteries as well as attach an automated flight plan. But in this example, let's head over to the Procedures tab. And here, instead of running our default workflow, maybe we want a specific workflow for a different use case or for a different team. In this example, we can use a workflow that we've created for night flights. So now that we've assigned this specific workflow to our mission, we can go ahead and add this mission. Now we have a new mission that's been approved, it's been assigned to the pilot, and it's past our start time. So when the pilot opens the app in the field, we should have access to the new mission. You can see there's our mission-specific mission popping right up top. So I'm going to tap in and select this mission. And you'll notice we have a slightly different pre-flight here, just as an example. And that's how we can provide custom workflows for different use cases, for different operations, and be just as flexible for all these different assignments while helping these operators stay compliant and detail all these safety steps for their different use cases, for different teams, pilot experience, and more. If you have any questions or would like assistance in setting up additional workflows on your account, please don't hesitate to reach out to support@aloft.ai. And as always, thank you for flying with Aloft and fly safe.